All right, well, good morning, everyone. It's great to have you here. Before we get started with introducing me and the Mansfield Center and our incredible speaker, we have the great honor of having one of the original Model leaders here with us today. He was the Secretary General in 1968, and it's a testament to the care that the alumni have for supporting your success and ensuring that this incredible opportunity goes on. So we have Channing Hartelius with us today. He is known as the Legal Lion across Montana. He is an attorney in Great Falls, and he has dedicated his career to standing up for individuals and families, not just offering representation, but fierce advocacy, trusted insight, and unwavering care. And his expertise and his care for people like you are rooted in where he was raised on his grandparents' farmstead near Great Falls. He learned the value of hard work and persistence from his grandmother. And those early lessons rooted in resilience, integrity, and grit continue to guide his approach today. And these are some of the skills that you are demonstrating while you are here today. So I'm going to turn it over. Let's give a warm welcome to our alumni, Channing Hartelius.
She did well. I wrote that. Anyway, what an awesome group. All of you. Awesome. It was 57 years ago that I stood among 300 high school students, delegates for the Model United Nations as Secretary General. Today, I stand in front of another 300 high school students, Model United Nations delegates, and I'm honored to do so. I reflect back in 1968, and there were 62 nations in the United Nations. Today, there are 193. It's incredible to look and see the major changes in the world today. We have AI, we have computers, we have cell phones. Back then, we had a typewriter. People actually wrote letters, and believe it or not, there were automobiles that still run today. Well, it's incredible to think about all the changes, but it's also incredible to recognize and think about the similarities that exist today concerning the major issues that confront us all. Back then, it was the war in Vietnam. Today, it's the war in Ukraine, the war in Gaza. Back then, hunger and housing. Today, hunger and housing. Back then, environmental and ecological concerns. Today, pollution and global warming are running rampant. You, as delegates of the Model United Nations, are the present and future leaders of your states, the country, and the world. I encourage you to embark and embrace the task that you have in front of you today and tomorrow. Enjoy the experience, promote world peace, live, learn, love. You can all make a difference. I applaud you, I encourage you, and I suggest that you work very hard to promote and help people recognize the importance of the United Nations in the world today. Be united, build a better future.
All right.